The big mystery in print on demand is how do I separate myself from the competition, whether you're on Redbubble or Teepublic. In this video, I've got a great strategy on how you can stand out. Now it's a bit more work, but the payoff could be substantial. Let's jump in. So the typical strategy is that you upload one good design, and then the beauty of Redbubble is that you can have it on many, many different products, in this case 89 plus products. So the strategy that I'm talking about is to make your designs product specific. So instead of this shirt just saying what, you could rejig this so it's a t-shirt specific or hoodie specific design. So here's a good example. If you type in funny cat, but there's 767,000 results, and so it's so competitive, it's pretty impossible to try to get any sort of consistent sales. So what I would recommend is come up with a phrase that's product specific. So for example, this is my cat hair sweater. There's only 121 results, and really it's just the top 4 that actually say this is my cat hair sweater. And so really it's about 4 is your competition. Now, the problem with this, I'm going to give you the downside. I'm just going to click on this 4th one here. The cat hair sweatshirt really only works on one product because you can't have it for a sticker. You can't have it on even a t-shirt because it's not a t-shirt, it's a sweater. So the downside is it's a lot more work, but the upside is you could scale this up to have different products. So here's an example of how this would work. I'm in Photoshop and I've just decided to do a different niche. So I said, this is my sailing sweater instead of this is my cat hair sweater. And I've just got a nice little graphic in there. Now this would be one design. I would save this as a PNG. I would upload it to Redbubble. And then after that, I would just simply swap out the different products, apron, t-shirt, mug, and so on. So the idea here is that you could save a whole bunch of different designs, but really you're just changing one word. And then when you upload to Redbubble, you would then sub out the different PNG files. So here on Redbubble, I've got this is my sailing t-shirt, but I'm not going to put t-shirt in the title. I'm just going to say this is my sailing, and then I'll put in some tags like sailboat, pirate, funny sailing, cute sailing, that sort of thing. And then as I scroll on down, I'm going to leave my t-shirt activated, and I'm going to leave my large print t-shirt activated, and I'll turn on my other stuff that looks like a t-shirt. So I would modify those designs as well. But when I scroll on down to like coffee mug, for example, this isn't going to work because it says t-shirt. So what I'm going to do instead is edit the design, and then here I can actually replace the image. So I can click on replace image and upload another image. So I can say, okay, I'll put in the mug, for example. It's going to load in, and I'll shrink it down, and now we can see it says, this is my sailing mug. I'll change the default view so it shows, and now it's a completely different image, although it's inside the same listing. I'll apply those changes. Mug is now activated. I could do travel mug. This is my sailing mini skirt. This is my sailing scarf. You get the idea. So really it's just plug and play. You've got the syntax of this is my something product. And then from there, you just come up with a bunch of somethings. So for example, this is my baseball, t-shirt, apron, coffee mug, hat. This is my napping, t-shirt, sweatshirt. You get the idea. And then you just go through and you just make a list of all the different hobbies, all the different activities, and all the different high competition niches, because this would give you a competitive advantage. I want to point out that you can go into a high competition niche and you will find errors. For example, this is my wine drinking mug, but it's on a t-shirt. Nobody is going to buy this. And yet, this is my wine drinking t-shirt. It's the top trending result. So people are looking at it, but I can't imagine people are actually buying it. So I would highly encourage you to take a look through different designs, and you're going to find some competition, but if it's text only, add a graphic. If it's graphic only, add some text. Make the designs better. This is a great one. This is my wine tasting shirt, a little glass of wine there. Take a look, get inspired, and it's more work because you have to upload way more individual designs, but at the end, each individual upload will be higher quality and thus give you a higher chance of making a sale. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. I hope you found this helpful, and as always, please do leave a comment down below if you have a question, or if you just like the video, hit that like button. Thanks a lot for watching.